Go to the header section. In header section, we can write position fixed. Position as a fixed and width again 100%. Position as a fixed and width as a 100%. Okay, ready? Position fixed. Save the file. Shape once. Position will be fixed. Position is fixed on the top. This content should have little down. Come down. After that, we have this section. This section should not go inside. This section should not go inside. It should get a stop here. It should get a stop here. This should go inside. Okay, so this will become fixed. That is called right block. Right, not nav, right block somewhere. Come down in the page, you will find somewhere called right block. Not right block, it's called update, I guess. Yeah, update. Okay, update position sticky. Sticky from top is the 0px. Position will be sticky from top if there is a gap of 0px. It's going up. So going up. We can do something like this. Okay, we have solution. This updates only, no? Let me verify once. Which is that block? Service in the left side, updates only. Okay. Updates. Top keep 50 pixel. Still going up. 100 pixel. Hold on. STICKY position sticky. Z index. I'll change this number. Hold on. is more as of now. It's going up. It should be less only. It's going up still. Z index, it is like the layer position. Still it is going. It's not holding. Mm, okay, let me try something else. This entire section I'll keep in another division. Wait, I will complete and can try. But this I'll give ID equal to text. Text. I'll go here and I'll write for fixed. Position sticky should work. It was working in the previous example. Position fixed. Top dismiss, then it should become a sticky. Position sticky. Z index is not needed. Just wait a minute. Let me complete this. No minute. Not getting apply. Top 300. Come here. Small changes I will do. Wait. This will become fixed. Top 300 px. Position is sticky. Now I have removed that. My header is going, let it go. 0 pixel. Like this. Minute, let me search. Float left and position. Many people has faced the problem. Display flags they have used. Gray, relative. There may be some solution. Okay. Maybe because of this not happening, web fit. Value. Important. Important. Not here. I was thinking to make this as a fixed position here. Once you scroll up, this should become a stop. We have used something called flags. Please wait 1 more minute. Let me try some more thing. Display flags if I do here. Now, the problem is not there now. Why I modify the navigation? Because the marquee is not able to fix. Marquee can also make the problem. It is not stopping. It's going inside still. We have made one more example here. Let me open that file. Which one was responsive was no? Responsive.html page. This one was getting a stick. Responsive.html, responsive.css file. See where we have written is, we have written here position st3 from top 0px. Same thing we write here, position sticky. Now it is not easy to stop. Okay, next one more option I have. Because the float left right is not working, I will modify little. This updates and this both. is the part of container. Where is the container? Display. I will use complex. Display flags. And from service, I'll remove the float left. And from updates, I'll remove float right. Float left, right, I remove. Now let me check once. Now also not stopping at all. Display flags added here, also added service. This is called updates. Position STP. Okay, last option is under the HTML. This is the service updates. Under the updates, here I have written clear block. Let me remove this. That also can be a region. Fixing where STP is not getting applied. Updates for updates. Margin left, where to this match. Oh, it's not get apply. Okay. So what I will do is I will find the solution for that. Maybe instead of spending the time, we can work on next level. Next class, maybe I will show you. Position STP, why not getting applied? That is the background here. Depth is okay, margin wise is fine. Service on this. There is no any. Now the flex I have applied, display flex. So position STP should happen. When it go up, it should get a stop. See, it's not stopping at all. It's going continuous inside. Service container flags. Nav left right is written, that can be the error. Let me remove the nav and then try once. See, this fellow is not listening at all. Without navigation also going inside. Position static. I have not made any mistake here. If I'm not wrong, I have written here updates is there. Margin left okay. Depth this much is okay. Margin left assume I removed. Width this much. Height is where height 400 pixel. Width this much 28%. Sticky STP only. So so stopping for some time. Okay, so height we have not given, that is the problem. Reduce the height to 200. Cool. Now what is happening? Okay, so let me come to the where modification we did. Start from beginning. The header was position was fixed. Second position was FIXCD fixed and width was 100%. Just 1 minute. Let me check once. It should be till there. No problem. Now it's just talking. Let me come down. Service how much? 0 you have given. 40-50 pixel. Next we can try. Because below contents are not there, maybe that can be reason. Okay. Okay, so come from beginning. Open the header block. Apply this two line. CSS position fix you have already. Right. Added position fixed. Come now. Left nav here no changes. Navigation of here no changes. Hover no changes. In container you add this one. Display flags. Hope you both are adding. In this in container add the display flags. Display flags added. Now coming to the service. Container flags added. Check in service. Any changes you have? Modify this. Service remains same or something else. Float left you have. Remove that. Remove float left from the service. Float left from the service. And from the update also remove the float left and add this two line. Please modify service and updates. Modify the service and updates. Share you in the chat also. Hmm? It's a stop no for some time. We have to add some more content below. If you add more content, it will stop permanently. So added this much. Now after this, which one? Height.
This free space is there.
Hmm.
The space is very less. Zero.
Okay, we can find solution, but now it's a stopping.
Yes.
From here we can do something. Updates you added. Now coming down. I think I shared in the chat also. Yeah, it was there in the chat also. Next, any other things I modified? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, so this much only I modified. In HTML, I have made any changes. Let me revert it back as like yesterday. I will come down, scroll down. It is scrolling for some time. Once the content ends, then it's moving down.
Sir,
Huh?
what is clear box?
Clear box, we are written float left, no? In this, we are written float left.
Yes.
Now, clear box is not required. We can remove that. Clear because flex we call it now. Remove this clear box. It was based on float, so we have added the clear box. Remove that. Okay. Next. The next point is when we can add more content below, then it will be fixed. Okay. And for this container, I have given the fixed height. For container, what is the height we have given? For container, minimum height we have given anything? No. No height, then why? Okay. Then for left, right, anything height is there? No height. Header also no height. Here also we have not given any height. No problem. No problem. For footer, is there anything? Info is where? Right hand side. Okay. Height margin top 50 px. Okay. So in footer, you can see we have given margin top 50 pixel. Okay, here footer margin top 50 pixel is there. Reduce that 10 pixel you can do. Okay. Next, after that, we can come to HTML, and in HTML after this section tag, where the section tag get end, section tag get end. Even info also we have written here. It look little odd only. Border is okay, golden border, but text is looking odd text. Okay, so for I think that is for info. We have written here for info somewhere. Height 300, padding is okay. This is fine. Bold is okay. This font text shadow is making it irritating. I will remove that, and the color was bold. I will remove it, and then we'll see how it is. Font weight without font weight. Font weight is still font size 20. Font without font weight, how it looks. Without font weight, it is better. Without font weight, it looks better. Okay. You can remove that font weight and let it be simple font. Simple text also.
Let's start our solution. Text shadow.
Text shadow we can remove. Added. Now next after this height, why it's coming so much of height? This height. Oh, is it inside the body we are given the height anywhere? No, in body also we are not given height. Oh, here 50 pixel I have written in container. See this mistake? It should be 50 px. In 50 px. In container I have given the padding as a 50 px. That is the biggest mistake. Now the gap should not be there, I guess. This is fixed always. Huh?
Yes.
Hey, what is troubling here? The problem was one place. So something like this, please check once. We can increase little more content. We can add little more content here in the bottom. It will become more better. This container has the problem. Padding 50 pixel we have written percentage. It was px. By mistake I have given as a percentage. And because of that a small problem, a small line of code we face the problem. Now come to HTML file again. In HTML file, not in the second block, in the first block only. Articles are there, multiple articles we have. Multiple articles we have added under the service section. Service section, multiple articles are added. In that now, instead of adding the articles now, add something else. Like add one maybe H3, our customers. Our customers. Okay. Our customer, we can add here I tag. But I tag you don't add directly, you keep inside the division, and under division you add the I tag. Under the division you add the I tag. Okay, something like this. FA hyphen FA hyphen. Okay, let's write here FAB space FA hyphen Facebook FA hyphen 3x FA hyphen full hyphen left. So it will give the icon only
FJB.
FAB for brand. Next we can write under the H4 Facebook. Below we can use a paragraph tag and display some 2-3 line of text. Display some 2-3 lines of text. सर हाँ क्या बोले? हाँ ठीक है। कितना का है? ठीक है, दो चीज है ना, एक पीटी भी करना है, पीटी भी करना है, ये भी करना है। तो चला क्यों पूछिएगा मॉर्निंग में इस बार। देखिए या शाम को करता हूँ। अभी करेंगे कि थोड़ा एक घंटे के बाद भी चलेगा? ठीक है, ठीक है। हाँ कर देंगे। Ready, save now, see how it is. Where is the, okay, I have not save the file. Okay, so our customer look like this. This will be fixed completely. This will go up down, come there. Now this section you copy and paste again, and change this one to something LinkedIn right here. LinkedIn. Add one more for Twitter. Something like this. Come now, add one more. Twitter we added. हाँ बोल रहे थे आरओसी वाले एक कितना भेजना है ये पकड़ रहे थे ठीक है हाँ हाँ ठीक है हम चालान नहीं देखे हैं ना हम पूछ रहे हैं कि आप तो ऑलरेडी देखे हो तो हमको कितना भेजना है डायरेक्टली बता दीजिए 1000 भेजना है हम्म 800 ठीक है okay so happening like this next after that it should become responsive so this is okay the position 3 position is fixed because sometime when you go for interview people will give some task they will ask you to design like this navigation should be fixed right side something should be fixed the content should be scrollable okay so you can think on that next after that what should happen when we make it a small device like this see it's covering how much it is here only it should come down it should not be there okay it should go to the new line here it's a fixed here only is a fixed here right we have to increase the width for that so we have to write the media query for this one service huh? How you will get to know this is a small device
Yes.
that to identify we use the media query now a user open in the laptop is okay now another user will open in mobile phone how this page will get to know this is a mobile phone that is media query the media query will so the media query will find yes this is the mobile phone or laptop media query used to find out the screen size yes media query used to find out the screen size yes come now go to the css service and next is called this one updates okay so for here in the css file we will come in the last and we'll write here media query for mobile phone especially @media screen and main width 1 pixel and max width up to 700 pixel then then we have one updates for updates has updates and one more we have called has before that is called service updates and service both should cover the 100% of width. 100% width. Exclamation important. Exclamation important. It should cover total 4 width. Next, after that, for updates, position static, position colon static, exclamation important. There should not be any kind of fixed position. It should not be fixed. It should become static. In what type of device? Mobile phone. In large device, it will be complete position sticky and all. But in a small device, it will be as a position as a. See what will happen. So width not change. It's not covering full width. Width 100% not happening here. It should become 100%. Okay. Or shall we write separate? It's not happening from one place. Width 100% I can write here. And here there can be service only. Service or services. What we have service. Here also width 100%. Let me check once. Not it. Okay. Reason is for container flags we have written display or has container display block. This display block we have given there display flags. Because of display flags it's not happening. Maybe that let me check now. It's happened now. See. So go on to the new line. It's coming here in the last. We have to do something, then it will be okay. And this in the service, maybe you have to write clear both because overlapping is happening at last. That overlapping also should not be there. Footer is getting overlap here. This should not happen. This is happening because of float here. We have used full left. No problem. Oh, clear both. No benefit, no problem. So remove this. I will give you other solution. Let's add till here these three sections. Will you share in your chat? Service is covering certain block. We are saying cover full width. For updates also we say cover full width. And for container display, we have written flex, we use the display block. Overlapping. We have solution. Come, we'll guide you. We can write one clear block we have here, no clear block. This clear block we have to use inside. So hope we written. Let us go inside and apply that. Clear block we have written one place. Clear block we need to add inside. Full left class we have written under the bootstrap. Full left under the HTML. Font awesome full left class we have called because of that. Okay, ready? Come to the HTML where we have end with the Facebook and all. Somewhere we have written no Facebook, right? Within the service block only at last. See, this service block is ending here. This is the service block, and you have used here full left class. Can you see the full left everywhere? So here at last we have to use the is that ID or class? What is that? Is a class. These divisions we have used. Maybe this division or maybe last we can add a new division and we can apply class equal to clear both. Why this clear both is required? Because whenever you use the full left or float left, there will be chance of content overlapping. When content get overlap, meaning will be meaningless. Oh, not gone. Not gone. Okay, so no problem. Come inside. So this class we can apply for these divisions. 8 seconds. Let me try here. Is it happening or not? The for the social media you have added no the classes. This division. The division I have made for that purpose only. But let me try once through here. It's coming or not? Clear block. Clear block. Clear block. Okay. Let us check now. Is still overlapping here. That also has not made any meaning. 1 minute. This clear block, this float left we have added, marquee direction we have added. Do we need to add after this? After at the end of the section tag clear block? No meaning still. We have given anyone height. Anywhere height we have given. This should get ready. Or this will go inside here. Updates is okay. Info section is okay. Any float left I have written? Position static. Display block. Below. Okay, okay, okay. Position sticky was there. Fine. Height is not mentioned anywhere. Footer anything is written. Clear both I hide in the footer. No, not happening at all. Position I have used anywhere. Genitex. This all we have overruled already. Nav left, right, position. Not finding where is the problem. Updates, position is static. What else we have written for updates? Top 40 pixel. Width already we updated. Not happening. Large screen is okay. Everything is normalized. Problem is only the small screen. Small screen, all is good only. Only the problem is this.
It is an add-on with the
Maximum width for which one?
media screen.
Will not be the proper solution. Height we are given here. Let me change the height. Okay. Important. Oh, yeah. It's done. Height auto. Nothing else to add. Clear both is also not required. Only need to add height auto. Height auto. That's all. Problem will be fixed. Height auto. Add here height auto. Height we are given there 300. No. Here we given height auto. Check now. Height auto working. Happening? Okay. So it's work in the small device also, and it work in the large device also properly. So this becomes a another very good template. But register, where is my register? My register is not coming. Header, let's say 100%, or I have deleted the link. Register also there. Not showing register. But your register is showing.
Right, but only one letter.
One letter.
I don't know one letter.
Okay, here is the problem. Weights were written, no? Let's keep as a 80% weight. 80%. In header, yes, 80%. It will come. Give width 80%, then register will be visible. I mean, okay. Investor is coming down. It's okay. You see in the small screen. How you are seeing in the small screen or big screen? There will be something wrong. So let's see again on next class. That is on Monday. Need files are working. Veena. Working. Okay then. We'll see you on Monday.